If you are a person like me who has spent last 30, 40 years of life trying to focus on work, family commitments, and at this stage of your life, there's a pull. There's a pull to try an outdoor adventure like a Himalayan trek. There's typically a dilemma. The question comes, is it too late? Is it still doable for me? I did my first multi-day hike at the age 57 and my first Himalayan trek at age 60. In fact, my condition was, as the saying goes, the spirit is willing, but the flesh is weak. So I get it. Having said that, my experience is, unless you have a serious health condition because of which you should not be doing a trek or a serious adventure, there is a way. And for that, you don't have to become a super athlete or an ultra fit person. Instead of looking for a trek and trying to build your fitness for that trek, flip it around. Based on your current fitness level, with some amount of preparation, find a trek that you can do. So if you are looking at a similar dilemma as what I had 6 years ago, here's my suggestion. Step 1, do a genuine serious assessment of your current situation, your fitness. Number 2, find a trusted friend or a trek operator and find a trek that is doable given your fitness level. And chances are, if you do that, you'll also find the doors open from there. It's a beautiful journey of adventure, even at this stage of our life. So give it a try.